Dow Jones hourly chart, big sell down. The Dow was down 500 points. It's down 170 points. This is an hourly chart. Here on the Dow, you can take a look at the daily, and we have a big red bar. Price volatility on the Dow will increase to a much higher level. That it will. Dow volatility is here to stay. I will draw an alert when we break the lows. October volatility can be devastating if you're not positioned right. We have everything for you to be successful with market volatility. We give the trades out. We have buy now, pay later. You don't have a bank account. You don't have a stock account. You don't have no room to talk. Period. All you have room to talk about is how do I get paid 10, 15,000. Yeah. So stock market volatility will give new entry points. Dow Jones down 517 points.